Do you want to grow your own lemons, even in a small space? You don't need a big garden to enjoy fresh, homegrown citrus. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you step by step how to turn a regular lemon tree into a dwarf one that thrives in pots with low maintenance and year-round fruit, perfect for any skill level. Your tree flourish. Hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening hacks. Please let me know in comment section, from where are you watching this video? Let us get started. Watch as I create a compact dwarf lemon tree in just a few simple steps. By the end, you will have a beautiful dwarf lemon tree like this one. You can also follow this procedure to make dwarf lime and orange trees, perfect for balconies, patios, or indoors. A tree is made dwarf by grafting a fruiting branch on a dwarf rootstock. But I will show a different and easy way to make a dwarf lemon tree from a regular one and keep it short. Select a mature stem on the tree. Scrap its bark, about 1 inch long. Take an aloe vera leaf. Apply aloe vera gel on the prepared stem. Next, prepare rooting soil bag. Wrap the soil bag on the stem and seal it so the soil does not dry up. The roots will grow in 4 to 10 weeks. After 8 weeks, the stem has grown roots and new leaves. Cut the bag from the branch. Next step is to plant this dwarf lemon tree in a new pot. Take a pot and fill it with free-draining acidic soil. Mix some compost and sand in acidic potting mix. The compost makes the soil rich in nutrition and the sand makes it free-draining. This is your dwarf lemon tree, ideal for small space gardening. Enjoy it! Hope you are enjoying the video and would like to support my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and like the video. Next comes the care tips and how to avoid common mistakes for year-round fruit. Caring for citrus tree is easy but crucial. Sunlight is the most important need for a lemon tree. The plant gets lots of energy from sun and uses it to produce good growth and plenty of fruits. So plant your lemon tree where you get at least 6 hours of full sunlight. If you're growing indoors, keep it near a south-facing window or use a grow light. Water when the top 1 inch of soil feels dry. Insert your finger in soil and check the soil. Overwatering is a mistake. It is important to water when the tree starts to flower and then the flowers start to produce fruit. The soil should not dry out when the fruits are forming to get a lot of fruits. Use a citrus-specific fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during spring and summer. Apply fertilizer along the rim of the pot. Water well after fertilization. You can top dress with cow manure, chicken manure, or even horse manure. Watch for pests like aphids, spider mites, and leaf miners. A quick spray of neem oil and pest oil can keep them at bay. Mix 1 milliliter neem oil and a few drops of liquid sole in 1 liter water and spray. To kill brown and black stinking bugs, spray liquid soap and water mixture. Mistakes you should avoid. Let us avoid some common mistakes. First, don't overwater. Standing water on soil and soggy roots are the #1 killer of citrus trees. Second, don't skip fertilizing. The tree is hungry and needs nutrients to fruit. Third, monitor watering. If the leaves start yellowing, it's usually a sign of overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Here is bonus tip I promised. To get more fruit, especially indoors, try hand pollination. Use a small paintbrush to transfer pollen from one flower to another. Also, keep your tree in a warm spot. This trick can double your fruit yield, and it's so satisfying to see those tiny lemons or limes start forming. You are now ready to grow your own dwarf lemon or lime tree and enjoy fresh citrus right at home. Have you grown a citrus tree before? Drop your tips or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening and fruit tree tips. Thanks for watching.